So hey guys, welcome back to my another vlog. So right now we're gonna cook shrimps, and I think it's so we're gonna put our broccoli on medium flame because broccoli is like not cooked. So we're gonna cook it like for like 3 to 5 minutes, I guess. Yeah, we did it for 3 to 5 minutes, and now the shrimps are done. Now we're removing their shell because you can't eat without it. You can't eat it with shells, you know. Yeah. Now here we go with the onions. So you need to, it's your choice what type of onion you want to put in. Cause we did like a little bit thick, and you know, you can see, yeah, we did some thick but not like small ones. Cause you're not gonna taste those in the dish. So yeah, so we did like just chop it. And we also have spring onion. Yeah, it was good when we put spring onions. You can also put, I guess, we also put some bell pepper because why not, right? Why not? Also put some bell pepper. So when you're done cutting stuff, you get a pan and you put butter in it. Oh, don't mind the hammer, you know. We got the pan. Oh, we forgot to cut the garlic. But yeah, Now we're gonna get the garlic and put it in the pan in the with butter, so you know the shrimp has. And we also forgot to cut our bell pepper because we just bought those. Yeah. You can cut it like the long ones because just your choice how you wanna display or how you wanna eat your dish. You know? So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the button, like this video, share it to your friends, and even share it to those like cook and they can like review it, you know. Yeah, let's taste. Mm. You guys need to try this. Bye.
She like.